Meanwhile, the Department of Tourism downplayed Dan Brown's unpleasant description of Manila. The DOT urged Filipinos to prove Dan Brown wrong and stand for the slogan that it is more fun in the Philippines. More from Yana Dormitorio.
The Department of Tourism dismisses American novelist Dan Brown's baseless description of Manila as the gates of hell. The tourism agency also knows that Brown has never been to Manila.
Unfair na magsulat ka ng ganyan kung hindi ka pa nakakapunta sa isang lugar. At ang balitang lumalabas ay mukhang hindi pa nakakatapak ng Pilipinas o ng Maynila itong author na to. No? At sabi nga nila ay kailangan makita mo muna bago ka magsalita. But ganun pa man, alam mo tayo, lalong-lalo na sa gobyerno, kailangan bukas ang ating mata at ang ating tenga. No? Kung meron naman talaga mga issues dyan na kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin, huwag tayong pumikit.
The agency, however, says that Filipinos must prove the statement wrong. The DOT adds, a trip to the Philippines will correct the wrong impression. This is Yana Dormitorio for News at 1 Junior Edition.